Saturday 26 January, view of the pumping station for the concrete pour that was done just now, and it's logistics of how the pipe runs over the ground floor slab to get to the location. So we route it along from the Jalan Iskandar entry point, and then it swings around to a delivery point further along, which I think you can see snakes around on the roof. And then the pipe continues on to the pour area here, which they are now adjusting the pipe before the next pour, which should recommence in another 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes.